Whenever I had planned to go on a pilgrimage to Kerala with my family, many obstacles came our way, and at one point it almost seemed impossible. But deep within, I had a strong faith that God would work wonders, and He truly did. Through the kindness of many unknown people, we were able to complete our pilgrimage with faith and contentment. This journey was more than just travel. It was a reminder that when we hold on to hope, God never lets us down. Hope gives us the courage to keep going even when the road seems difficult. It teaches us to trust God's plan because in His time everything falls beautifully into place. So let us never lose hope, for when faith and hope walk together, miracles always follow.